Astro Boy music.
Jimmy.
TooReal gang, what's good? This your boy JemmyTooReal. You already know what it is. I'm back with another video. And man, I'm over here at the house, about to get the roof looked at, about to see what it's gonna cost me to get it repaired. We got the framework done. I'm gonna go inside, I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like, how far we came, and then y'all can kind of have an idea of where we at, how much more time we got. So let me show you. He checking out the roof too. It's a bedroom. It's the master. It's gonna be a master bathroom in here with a closet. Put the tub, vanity, toilet. I'm still taking out these windows. They so ugly, man. Gotta take out the burglar bars, put some cameras around, update it. Gotta go to Home Depot today and get some, get my wires and stuff from my electrician. I'm gonna do skylights. It's a bathroom in the hallway, and then you walk straight into the kitchen. See the wall built for the hallway. Go into the bathroom. It's the kitchen. I'm gonna put refrigerator, stove over there. Vanity with the sink, kitchen sink, whatever. This another bedroom. This gonna be a 3-2. It's all framed out. This is the closet area. So if y'all could visualize, this the closet area. I walked into here. This a nice size room too. It's a nice size room, man. Look how far I walked over. Look, I'm in the corner. I take the front room. If this was my house, I want this front room, and then you walk into the living room. Boom. We taking the chimney out, y'all. Y'all see that? It's coming out. The front living room. You got another room in the front. So I take the first front room. You got a little porch. It's the only thing the owner did before I bought it. Put a porch. That's it. I'm gonna move the electrical panel to the hallway. I already marked it inside the hallway so the electrician know. But yeah, it's a room. It used to have a door coming in this way and a door going into the master room. I don't know why, but I blocked it. And once I get all my electrical and my plumbing taken care of, we're gonna close everything up. But I'm looking for a licensed plumber. Oh man, gotta help me out a lot. So if you're in the Jacksonville, Florida area and you're a licensed plumber, man, comment down below, because I'm looking for one. I need one like ASAP. Yeah. It's gonna be a laundry room. I'm gonna put a door here, and then a laundry room. I'm gonna put appliances in here when I sell it. It's gonna be washer, dryer, stove, refrigerator, microwave. I'm gonna put the skylights. I'm gonna do everything like ready to go. Like I could rent it out and put it up for sale. Brand new roof. Let's see what they're doing outside with the roof, y'all. It's one estimate, two estimates. Gotta get you at least 2 or 3. But yeah, it's an old metal roof. Been up here over 20 years. It's time to go. Hopefully he could take care of us, you know? Hey, you gonna need a dumpster when you take that roof off? Okay.
Cause you just gonna trash this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So I.
Somebody buy that? Did they buy that metal?
I mean, you can take
scrap
it to
metal.
A scrap metal company.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to do it? You don't know.
Honestly, if I do it, I just really try to just get rid of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's, you got to separate it every piece. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I mean, for a scrap person, it might be worth about maybe $100. They get it all together, right? But
yeah, that's
after $100 trying to get it all together, man. You know what I mean? You gotta spend a half a day trying to get it right.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Y'all see the outside, the front porch, it's a corner lot. The roof being preserved with the metal. So I'm excited to get this thing done. Somebody upgraded. They upgraded that house. This house, that was just built not too long ago. And then down the street, you got like 2 more houses that look pretty new, built in the 2000s. What's up, boss? What you got? What is it? For the Lolo?
Yeah.
All right, you gotta stay back. Not COVID. Nah, I'm just messing with you. What you got?
A hat.
Walls. Man, he got them goods, y'all. Okay.
$40 for everything.
Walls. $40 for everything. Let me see the one with the green. Let me see the one in the green case.
Man, that's not for everything. No.
That's what is that? Triple play?
Yeah.
I don't know about no triple play now.
You got everything.
Walls.
I'm gonna let you have it all for 30, not no 40.
Damn,
everything
30?
for 30.
Sheesh.
I'm trying to make a move.
You trying to make a move?
Yeah, I got to go my damn.
What that head is in there? What team that is? What's the front? What it say? Oh nah, ain't no LA Lakers.
Yeah, but you could be one.
Nah, I'm a Florida boy. We all Florida.
Yeah, I know.
Till we die. I don't need it. But this what I do. I give you something anyway.
Yeah, hey man.
I give you a dub. And that's really half of what you wanted, right?
Yeah.
And then you still could go hustle and make you some money.
Hey, God bless you, man. I looked at the hospital.
Yeah.
The girl took my card and fucked it up, so it's dead. I can eat now.
Oh, go get you some food then, boss. Yes, sir. Look how God work. God work in mysterious ways, y'all. So yeah, guys, he checked out the roof. He said he'll send me an estimate in like the next hour. And we'll see what he come up with. And may the best man win. There you go, man. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see how far we came. Man, I see somebody got Trump flags in the hood off 13th and Wilson. Just got my hold on. I see somebody off 13th and Wilson in Jacksonville, Florida, in the hood. Dude got Trump flags. It ain't none of my business who you support, but god dang, y'all be tripping out here, man. You doing it in the hood. But anyway, long story short, much love to everybody. I pray the best for everybody. This your boy JemmyTooReal. Y'all catch me on the next episode. And I'm out. Yo.